about the low 60s, clear skies in the low 60s. Running the ICOM 7300 to handheld radio. How's it sound? Okay, anything new to report for me? Okay, you haven't heard anything from that 547? Okay, I just wondering, yeah, he's probably turned down the station. 749, take care, nice working you again. 749, California. Roger, 73. Y'all copy 749. Oklahoma City, I copy you. Q5 here in the Grass Valley, 40 miles northeast of Sacramento. Go ahead. Oh, 501 Oklahoma City. Have a good day. 749 said that.